Hello guys, Sajid is here with a new course, and in this course I will build a weather application in React Native. Okay, so this is the application which we will build in this course. Okay, this will be the output of our course. So here, this is how our application will look like. Okay, so basically in our application we have three tabs. One is home, about, and settings. Okay, in the settings you can set the city. Okay, let's say, okay, so now in the setting I set I saved Islamabad, okay, as a city. So here you can see the Islamabad weather. Here you can see the name of the city, which is Islamabad, the code of the capital, which is PK, and the weather icon, the temperature, the humidity, and the description. Okay, even let's say I try something Delhi. Okay, let's see what's happening in Delhi. Okay, so this is the temperature in Delhi. Okay, so this application is purely in React Native. Okay, so this is the React Native website, and I will use this framework for building this application. Okay, the another thing which we will use in this project is uh, React navigation. Okay, I will use this library, React Navigation, for building this menu. Okay, not only this, okay, this is tab menu. Not only this, in React Navigation, we can also make some other kind of navigation also. Okay, so let me show you the demos of other navigation. We have tab navigation. Okay, this is actually tab navigation. We have dryer navigation. This is dryer navigation, and we have one other navigation also. Where is another navigation? Okay, another navigation is stack navigation. Okay, so this is stack navigation. You can go to another page, and you can come back by clicking on this back button. Okay, so we can create these three kind of navigation in React navigation library. I will use this. Okay, the next thing which I will use in this project is React Native React Native paper library. Yes, okay, yeah, React Native paper. I will use this library. Okay, this library provide us some built-in components which are very useful. Okay, so this is some, for CSS you are using Bootstrap. Okay, but here in React Native we use React Native paper. Okay, this is what which I will use in this project. This library, React Native paper, this provide us some cool features, like you can see, like loaders, buttons, text boxes, cards, many things. It provide us many things. If you want to use this library, then you can use, but there are some other libraries also. React Native component libraries. Okay, 15 plus. Okay, so you can see we have Native base, tset, material kit, React Native. The Native base is, this is very popular. Okay, so where is the React Native paper? Okay, this is React Native paper. Okay, so this is another thing. Okay, what else? I will also use for weather, I will use Open Weather API. open weather, sorry, not this, uh, open, okay. I will use the API of this website, okay. So this website provides us APIs, okay, which we can consume. So basically here I'm using API, okay. To the API I pass the city name, and the API give me the weather information like the temperature, humidity, description, the weather icon, etc. Okay, I'm displaying very few information here. The API give me too much information, okay, which you will see in the future videos. Another thing is I'm using local storage, uh, React Native local storage. Okay, so I'm using the local storage of React Native, okay, through in which I store the city name. Okay, here I'm using local storage, and I'm reading this name here and passing to the API. Just to recap this video, we will build a weather application in React Native. Okay, we will use React Native framework. We will also use some other libraries like React Navigation, okay, for making navigation, this tab navigation, okay. We will use React Native Paper library for making these buttons, these text boxes, and these cards, okay. We will use Open Weather API, okay, to which we will pass the city name, and the API will give us the weather information of that particular city. So this is the basic introduction of our project which we will build in this video. So please watch all the upcoming videos, and you will see how easily we can use React Native for building any kind of application. Okay, weather application, this is very basic application, okay, but I will teach you too much. You will learn how we can use libraries, you will learn how we can use local storage, you will learn how we can consume APIs, okay. You will learn many things. Not only this, when we finish the project, we will upload this to Play Store, okay. I think this application is already I already uploaded this to Play Store. Let me check. Google uh, Google Play Console. I think this is uploaded. Let me go to Google Play Console. We will use this to upload our application. Okay. This is going to another email. Let me change my email. This is my primary email. Google Play Console. Google Play Console. I think I should log out this email for now. I log out it. I log into to this one. Okay. Okay, so here if I refresh and I click on go to Play Console, yes, we use Google Play Console to upload our applications to Play Store. Yes, I want to use this email. What's happening? I don't know. Okay, this, yeah, okay, fine. Here you can see this application. This application is also live here, okay. So when we complete the project, I will also show you how you can upload your own Android application to Play Store by using Google Play Console. Okay, and this code is also available on GitHub. So if I open my GitHub account, this code is available. uh, I sign in. Where weather. I search something like weather. Yeah, this is weather. Okay, React Native weather application. This is the URL of the repository. I think this is public repository, and you can copy the code from here and use in your project.